So we finally felled the old tree at the gate that had caused a big crack on the wall, and we have carefully removed the materials to be used in reconstruction of the new gate. From the tree we've got lots of wood that will be used for different and various DIY projects around the homestead. This tree is actually older than me, and the big challenge here is removing this stump because we cannot reconstruct the gate with it here. Today we also pruning our graveria trees. This helps them to grow bigger and thicker because we use them in the making of furniture and as building materials here. This tree grows very fast but has softwood which cannot be used for durable furniture. So most of the time it will be used in just simple furniture and constructions around the home. The background noise is the power saw at work. We are splitting the wood into different sizes of wood that we will use to make furniture and to build structures around the homestead. The tree we just fell has very hard wood and would be ideal for very durable furniture. And having lasted so many years, it has very beautiful patterns on the wood we are splitting. And we got some really strong men to get out the wood stump. The roots are so deeply rooted into the soil, and this might take some time. It's quite unfortunate we don't have the machinery to uproot these wood stumps, so it's going to be manual work until it's done. And we are getting some very beautiful pieces here. Can't wait to make some furniture from it. See how beautiful the pattern is. I can already imagine how my furniture will look. I find it so satisfying watching this machine at work. These are some of the pieces we have already, but the work is still on. We want different shapes and sizes of these pieces of wood. They're currently working on the biggest log, and it's going to give such big pieces of wood. Nothing really goes to waste in a tree, so we'll use this for the chicken coop. And I've also got these beautiful chopping boards, which I only need to smoothen out, and then they're just ready for use. We are on day 2 of this work, and the stump is almost done. And this piece is so thick, it gave these guys a very hard time splitting the wood. It's actually thicker than the blade itself, so they needed some strong men to turn the wood around so it would get a complete cut. Look at these lovely pieces. Please give me suggestions on the kinds of furniture I can make with this. They are so wide and beautiful. I can't wait to make some beautiful furniture from these pieces. And the chopping boards were so thick, so I ended up with 4 of them. This will be a great addition to my kitchen. And finally, they uprooted the big stump. So the next challenge is getting it out of this hole. We actually plan on burning it. And using the bark of the tree, we made a bench somewhere in the yard where you can sit and rest. It's been amazing hanging out with you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next.